how you sign up. Very, very simple for you to sign up. You're going to go to the link that's right underneath this video, and you're going to click that link, and you're going to put in your country code. If your country code is not listed, that means that ITP is not doing business there. Okay? If your country code is not listed, that means that ITP is not doing business there. Okay? And those of you that have the +1 as your country code, you know, that's the Americas. So that's the United States, that's the Caribbeans, that's a lot of places. Okay? So just know if your country code is not listed, that means they're not doing business there. All right? So all of you should be pretty safe, okay, as far as being able to sign up. So all you do is you're going to put in your country code, you're going to put in your phone number. Now, if your phone number starts with a 0, if you're used to putting a 0 in front of it, don't do it. All right? So just put the country code and then put in the phone number. And then put in a password that you've selected and put that password in again and then click sign up. Okay? So it's going to look like this. What did I do with that? Let's find that. Give me a minute to find. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. All right? So when you hit the link, you're going to come up to a page like this to get signed up. Your invitation code is going to already be populated. All right? So you're going to be either directly to me or you're going to be on one of my teams link, right? So either way, you're part of the team, either direct to me or one of my people have sent you this video and you're watching this video and you're going to be underneath them. So at the end of the day, we're all going to be on the same team, right? So just leave that invitation code, whatever it is there, leave it. That's the person that invited you. So your number, the invitation code, a unique password, read all this information, privacy agreement if you choose to, and then click registration. That's how simple it is for you to sign up. Once you have clicked registration, you want to set up your 2FA and your transaction PIN. So now let me go inside of my account here. Right, so right now, also let me mention this. Right now, for new users, when you make a deposit, they are giving you a little bonus there, right? A little trading bonus. So new users who make the first deposit of $200 are going to receive $25. If you make a deposit of at least $500, you're going to receive $50. If you make a deposit of at least $2,000, you're going to receive $150. Okay? Now, for those of you that know right out the gate that you're going to refer other people and you're not going to be passive, I'm going to tell you right out the gate, you want to deposit a minimum of $500. A minimum of $500. Okay? And you'll see why that is here. When I go back to the G2s, right? Let's go back to G2. That's one of the requirements of G2 to get up to the 2.8%. A minimum funded account has to be 500, right? So again, this is for people. This is for builders, right? G2, you need 5 people, personally invited, a minimum of 500, and you're now making 2.8% on your daily quantitative trades. This is just for people that know they're going to invite people right out the gate. If you can afford it, I say do it. Okay? So that's just a little tip. All right, so back into the site. So now, as soon as you log into your site, log into the ITP application, you want to do 2 things. You want to click on Mine down here, and you want to set up your transaction password. You need to set that up. You're going to need that. Sorry, it's six numbers unique to you that you set up. You also want to set up your Google verification, right? So you need to set these 2 things up before you even make a deposit into this platform. Always do that. Always do that, right? So that you don't get hacked or someone tries to, get into your account and steal your crypto. All right. Now, when you first set up your account, they give you $8, and you can play with that $8 if you want to, just to see how it works. I don't like to play around, so I like to get things going right out the gate. So I'm going to make a deposit here with you all right here, right now. So what I want to show you how to do is I want to show you, let me go to my notes. So I need to make sure I'm covering everything. All right, how to sign up. We talked about that. Your 2FA, your transaction PIN, how to recharge account, and show you how to do daily trades. Okay, so those are going to be our last two things that we do here, right? This is going to be so much fun. Oh man, I can't wait. This is going to be fun. All right, so let me see the last thing here I need to tell you. Okay, so there's a 72-hour rule. 72-hour rule. So there's no compounding, and you don't earn referral rewards on the first 72 hours. So your first 72 hours that you start trading, it's not going to compound. Okay, it's some legal financial thing, right? When your people that you refer, when they sign up under you, the first 3 days that they're trading or whatever, you're not going to earn any commissions on them. Okay, so just remember that 72-hour rule, right? 72-hour rule. All right, so the last two things I'm going to share with you is how to recharge your account. Recharge means to deposit. I'm going to show you how to deposit into your account, and I'm going to show you how to do daily trades. Now, this platform uses USDT TRC20. Okay, USDT TRC20. You can get USDT TRC20 on Kraken. And let me write this down. I should have put this in the notes. Right, so you can go Kraken for US people. Binance is also a good one. KuCoin is also a good one, and Wobi Global is also a good one. Global, right? So those are the exchanges. Okay, and if you're real creative, you know, and you're not on any of these, you can go, I think Huobi Global doesn't require KYC. So KuCoin used to not require it, but now they require it. But anyways, you can, I'm talking USA people right now. You can buy Bitcoin on Cash App. You can send that Bitcoin to Huobi Global, and you can swap it for USDT TRC20. All right, so let's put this at the top too, just in case you want to screenshot this. Let's put program takes USDT TRC20. That's the Tron network. Tron network. Only. Alright? Only. In and out. That's how you're getting paid. Alright, so now those are the exchanges. So Kraken, Binance, KuCoin, Huobi Global. And then your wallets. Okay? These are the wallets that I recommend. They're user-friendly. Exodus. Exodus wallet, you can use Exodus. You can actually swap coins in Exodus. So you can swap if you want to, you know, send your, say, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is real easy to get. So if you want to send that to Exodus and then swap it for USDT TRC20, you know, you can do that right there in the wallet. So Exodus is good. Trust Wallet is good. My favorite is TronLink when we're talking USDT CRT20 wallets, USDT TRC20 wallets. And of course, you know, Trust Wallet and Exodus, you can hold multiple different crypto in those. TronLink is just TRC20 coins. Okay? All right, so I want you to, you know, be real clear on that. And I will, let's see. I'm going to try and put this here. Yeah. Leave this right here for one moment. You can pause it and you can take a screenshot. Okay. All right, so now the last things for us to do is I showed you how to sign up, show you how to recharge your account, and then show you how to do your daily trades. So every day you're going to do this daily trades so you can make your money. So let's go back here into my account. Oops. Wrong account there we go. Okay. All right, so we're going to go in here. So now when you set up your account, they give you $8 to play with. You can play with it if you want to. If you're serious, go ahead and do your deposit minimum of $100 and get things going. Why mess around, right? So where do we recharge here? So I'm going to go to assets. So we're going to click on assets. And your recharge is how you deposit. Right? Now all this stuff that I'm telling you, everything is in the app. It's telling you all of this stuff that I've already told you. okay? But it's good that it's in the application, right? But I wanted to pull it out, put it in video form, so you can kind of just hit play and go through the information, right? But anyway, anything that I left out is within the application. So we're going to do a recharge here. So I'm going to click recharge. And this is where I'm going to make my deposit. So you see it's USDT's TRC 20, right? So you can type your amount in, or you can just hit one of these selects. Now I'm not just going to do 100, I'm going to do 1,000. So I'm going to put 1,000 right there. It gives you the rules. The minimum is $1, right? I would say again, the minimum, I would just start out the account with 100. If you're just being passive, right, and you're not going to refer anyone, right, you're low on money, $100, right? You got funds, you want to grow those funds, but you still don't want to refer anyone, you can put the maximum of 20,000, right? So you see that 20,000. Just know that at that 20,000, that 2.5 that you're earning every day, it's not going to compound, which is still great. It's still 75% return on your money every month. There's nowhere that you're getting that unless you're in crypto. Okay. So, all right, so I'm going to recharge this, recharge / deposit $1,000. So I'm going to click recharge. All right. So it's telling you TRC 20 USDT. I'm going to click choose. Now it's giving me the address to send my $1,000 to. So I'm going to click copy. You can also use the QR code if you want to. And I'm going to paste this address. All right. Now I'm going to go into my Tron link. I've already loaded it up. So I'm going into my Tron link and I'm going to send $1,000 here into this platform. So I'm going to paste that address there. I'm going to double check the address. All right. Click next. I'm going to send. I always like to do $1 over. So I'm going to send 1,001. Send. You need to make sure that you have Tron. If you're sending it from, from a wallet, a self-custody DeFi decentralized wallet, you need to have the Tron gas. So you're going to need some TRX, right? So you need the Tron gas. If you're sending it directly from an exchange, you're going to be okay. Okay, you'll be fine without the gas because they're just going to take the fees from the amount that you're sending. If you're sending from a wallet, you're going to need the gas fee. So you see, I need 27 Tron, which I have, so it's going to cost me $2.37 to send this transaction. That's fine, and we're going to click sign. And you see there, transaction submitted. All right. So now I am going to close this. I'm going to go back, scroll down here, actually go back, and this should not take long to actually come through. So I'll just show you all some of the things here in the app. Now I'm on the web version. This is available on Android, iOS, or just the website on a PC. I'm on a PC. I'm old school. I don't like to do crypto things. If I can get away with doing it on my laptop, that's what I choose to do, because I know that a lot of times these apps and mobile devices is how people get hacked. But you can, download the mobile. You want to set up your account initially on a computer, and then if you go, where is it at? The mobile is somewhere here. I'm on the home screen. Let's go to mine. You see that $1,000 already hit, so it's 1,008 now, right? So I'm gonna show you the last step that you need to do. This last step that you need to do is how you're earning your percentages every day. just before I forget, train of thought. So when you go to mine, that's where you can download the application if you want to download the application. Okay. Again, I'm old school. I just do everything on the website. All right. So now my funds hit my account. So your funds are going to hit your account fairly quickly. So now this is what you're going to do every day to earn your percentages. You're going to click on quantize. So click on quantize. Now I get 5 times here to make money. I get 5 clicks. So now this is your daily work every day, is to log into this ITP application, and you see this blue single start ITP quantization. You're going to just click on this every day, and you're going to let the algorithms and the AI do its thing and do its magic. You see my earnings right now are 0, right? I got $1,000 in there. 1,008 times 2.5. Let's see what that is. 8 times. Wait a minute. I thought they were giving me some free money. I need to see how to get that. So I should make $25 when I'm done with this. How do I claim that? Wait a minute. Because remember it said new users make their first deposit of at least 500. So I should get at least an extra $50. How do I get that? I don't know. Maybe it's after the first 3 days. All right, I'll let you all know how that works out. Okay, but anyway, we're still going to get this thing going. Even if they weren't giving me free money, I don't care. All right, so let's click start and let's go. So you see it's starting the ITP. So it's going out and it's getting the engines revved up, looking for opportunities. Starting the queue. Starting to capture its various exchange market prices. So it's looking at the data, right? So this artificial intelligence is out here working for us. I remember this is what I did manually when I traded. I don't trade anymore. I use AI. Look there, it's buying on ADA Wabi, a buy order. That's one of the exchanges I was telling you about where you can get your USDT, TRC20. And then it's going and it's selling it on Bittrex. See that? It's allocating the commissions. So it's going to give me my money. It's going to give ITP their money. Because every trade that we do, we split it 50-50 with ITP. So they're making money, we're making money. Right? So boom, I made $5. So I'm going to hit it again. Now I'm going to pause this video so that you don't have to sit here, but you see how it works, right? So you're just going to do this every time. Now as you go up the G levels, you get more opportunities. So it'll go from 5 times, it'll go to 6, it'll go to 7, it'll go to 8, right? As you move up the G levels. This is for people that are referring other folks. Again, if you're just passive, you know, you just want $500 a day, you're comfortable with that, you're happy with that, you don't want to refer anyone, you deposit in your minimum of $100, you let it compound, a little over 7 months, then you'll be at 20 grand, and then you start pulling out your $500 a day. All right, but I'm going to pause this so you don't have to sit here and go through this, but you see how it works. This is what you need to do every day, or you don't earn, okay? So I'm going to pause it. I'll be back. All right, so the last trade is finishing up. It's allocating the commission. So boom, there it is. So you see my earnings, 25.2. So this literally took about a minute per trade, right? So it's going to take you 5 minutes a day, 5 to 8 minutes a day. And you're going to do 5 clicks every single day, all right? So that's really it. You know, that is a thorough analysis of this entire platform. Again, how you can just be passive, putting in a minimum of $100, turning it into $500 a day, right? If you choose to refer other people, you know, it's just a lot more on the table for you as far as earnings. We have Telegram groups. I'm in the process of setting up a WhatsApp group. So once you get going, you know, make sure that you get in touch with me or get in touch with my team member that invited you so that you can get a personal invitation into the WhatsApp group. It's going to be a, you know, well-managed group No spammers, only people that have truly deposited in here and that are really looking to be around like-minded individuals, right? So there's really nothing left for you to do than to just hit the link that's beneath this video and get your account set up, get your account funded, and then every single day, like I said, you just go in here and you tap on some buttons and you make your money every day. So I just want to make sure, let me run through my notes here and make sure that I covered everything. I like to be really, really thorough, as you can probably tell. So I want to make sure I covered everything here. Yeah, so that is really it. We have Zoom calls, we'll have trainings. I'll personally be doing some trainings and things because, like I said, I'm really, really liking this platform. And my personal mission, this is me personally, I want to personally help directly 100 people, a minimum of 100 people, a minimum of 100 people, right? That's how much I really believe in this. So with that being said, take action. Take action. Or get back in touch with the person that invited you if you have questions. If not, if you're ready to rock and roll, again, beneath the video, go ahead and click the link to set up your account and to get started. Talk with you soon.